2012 Mazda 3. Cracked it right there. It's toast. Need to get this out. Got one of these for 50 bucks. Link in the description below. Paint tool. Pry this piece off. Far one right down there. Rip this end, so we could just pull that out and it pops out. 8mm. Last one, need an 8mm box. Now this connector likely will be the most time consuming part of this. Beyond this little bridge, you push on the left side of the bridge. It should release. Draw the whole thing smoothly without stressing the wires. Back latches in, so it should give you something to pull against once you push down. Which is in between the two blue marks. Supposed to press on this to relieve the notch. Notch is holding against spike at the tip of my nail, that middle spike, just to get this on the cover up. You can see how I pried it. Paper clip or a stick, something thin that could get this up. So lift the old mirror off. It's installed in the reverse order. That connector back on. Click. Again, these two grommets will hold this back into place. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.